amazing. But guys, can we please talk about the fact that it is August already? How is it possible? Where did the time go? Like, what? Year, you need to slow down. I started off this year telling myself that I'm going to learn something new. It took me 4 months. In April, I started my YouTube channel again after 7 years. Yeah, it took me 7 years to get confidence to get back on it. But guys, I really just want to take the time to say thank you to every one of you that has watched a video of mine, that watches it till the end. I appreciate you so much. You don't understand. Thank you so much. So yeah, I'm gonna keep going and see how far I can get. They say this walk would take about 3 to 5 hours. I think for me it will take about 10 hours. All right, so let's go. So, we all have New Year's resolutions and it's August now. So my New Year's resolution was to get fit and healthy, and let's see if that was the case. No, I have failed. Just listen to the silence. So peaceful. Thank you so much for recommending for me to come on a walk here. I know some of you commented on my previous video hiking in Singapore that I should come and walk the southern ridges here and also the Henderson Waves bridge. Oh, there's some animals in the trees. And I'm so glad I did. So please keep the recommendations coming. I really appreciate it, and I listen to each and every one of you. So please comment down below if you have any other walks that I need to do here in Singapore, or maybe around close to Singapore, because I'm going to Penang next week. So yes, if you can recommend anything for me to do in Penang, maybe a hiking trail, please recommend and tell me what should I be doing in Penang next week. I can do it.
Friends will come, friends will go. They all seem to change while I'm still the same. 'Cause I just can't let go. And there's no one to blame. It's just the way it is. Like stone, emotionless in this world of stories.
I'm from Africa. I'm not scared. Oh my goodness. Oh, shame. But no, don't kill him or you're gonna kill him.
You cannot do that.
No, you. Oh, shit.
Why are you afraid now? Africa?
Oh, sure. Oh, shame, he's hurt.
African, why you scared?
Well, this one is a little bit dangerous.
It's not, python not than that.
Like stone, I'll be here forever, waiting for your call. Lovers come, lovers go, and their hearts seem to change, but mine's still the same. 'Cause I still love them all, and my heart's not to blame. It's just the way it is.
I have been going for about 4 hours now. Yes, guys, it shouldn't take this long, but I am super slow. So, because I'm stopping and taking pictures and talking to people. So yeah, it takes quite a while, but it's worth it.
I'm fixed in a framework that is moving beyond my control. Like stone, I'm motionless in this world of stories. Oh, like stone, I'll be here.
Am I going the right way? I'm gonna sneak through the shortcut. 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 We can do this. Shortcut. Oh my goodness. That guy is walking in sweatpants. Like, why? Why would you do this in sweatpants? Stairs. We can do it.
It's the same old story being told inside my head. I'm too shy to straighten up my bones and be a man.
Canopy Walk. We made it. Woohoo! At 12 o'clock in the afternoon.
Say the time's running out, so take the chance. Make a move, cause the store won't stay open till the end.
Guys, I'm not joking when I say it's hot. It is painful. It's painful. But, you know, I started. I said I'm going to finish it up to the Canopy Walk. And proud of myself. I just had to remember why I came to do it. Self-motivation, perseverance, always pays off, and I really recommend this trail. It's absolutely stunning. You don't have to do the whole trail from beginning to end. There's definitely certain parts where you can do it, and across the whole walk there's like ways that you can exit. So it says like exit to this road, exit to that road. So you can stop anytime you want to. Look at the sweat. Ooh. My Singapore face. Feels like I'm on a holiday. Let's just stop for a second and take it in. This is good.
And I'm still the same inside my head. And I can't stop thinking about what you said. I gotta tear my wall apart. And it's the only way to start.
So I'm coming to the end of my walk. My whole, let's see, what is the time now? Well, I'm going for 6 hours now, and I can definitely recommend it. And thank you so much for everyone that has recommended this to me. Once again, click the like button, hit the subscribe button if you enjoy seeing what I'm doing, if you want to see how my YouTube journey goes and how I grow, hopefully learn and get better with every video. That is my goal, that is my hopes. So please stick around, and there's a lot of more adventures to come. And remember, be good, do good, keep on smiling, and have a fantastic day. Bye. Oh, storm is coming. Come on, grab. I made it just in time.